The plumber is coming on Thursday, and so we have to get this toilet out of the box. It's so exciting. He's fascinated by the soft close lid.
I love it. No more loud noises.
Today we're going to be taking a look at this elongated, easy to clean style toilet. In this video, we're going to show you what comes in the box and give you our honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are our own. Oh goodness. That's a lot of styrofoam. That's Mama Vance's arch nemesis.
So much.
So much styrofoam.
I mean, it's gonna be safe, so. Oh, look, it's got a little trap door up here.
Oh,
hey!
It's the toilet.
We gotta be careful how we flush this thing. You just gotta push it. That's a pro tip. You just gotta push it once. You can't
hold it. Don't hold it, Rock.
Don't hold the pusher. Look at that. Look at that technology. Look at that. Boop, 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 boop.
Don't be surprised if you think that it's really small based on the size of the tank lid. But it's actually quite large, and it comes with a toilet seat.
It looks comfortable, aerodynamic.
It's elongated.
Smooth sides, elongated. You're right. Thanks for using those words. I forgot that word. I'm so excited about this.
And there's it even comes with a wax ring.
I think it's a soft close lid.
It even comes with a wax ring.
I'm so excited.
And all the hardware and the instructions. We don't need instructions because we hired a plumber.
I'm really excited about a soft close toilet seat. It's amazing. I believe that this is going to be soft closing. And
He can't even wait to try it. He's taking the plastic off and the toilet's not even installed yet.
I got to find out. I think that they may have covered all their bases. And if this product has a soft close lid that comes with it, I think so. It really put it over the top for me.
The toilet is finally installed and it is amazing. It's way better than I expected. Now, the bolts are hidden on the side. It has an easy to clean design. This has 2 amounts of water. So this is just a little bit of water, and that's a little bit more water. Now we have well water, so you can see the iron in there. I'm so sorry, it's just iron, don't worry. The plumber installed this, so my husband didn't have to, but he's going to model it for you so you can see approximately the size. Although, yeah, that position, it made him look really large compared to the toilet. What do you think? It's the elongated seat.
I love an elongated seat with the closing feature of softness